If you knew what happens inside your body the moment you quit smoking, you'd never light another cigarette again. Within the first 10 hours, carbon monoxide levels in the blood begin to drop sharply. Hemoglobin finally carries oxygen freely again, and breathing subtly becomes easier. After 24 hours, the body removes up to 90% of built-up mucus. But this is also when cravings strike the hardest. Your brain is desperately signaling for what it's used to. At 48 hours, the damaged taste buds and sense of smell begin to awaken. Food becomes richer, scents become clearer, the world slowly regains detail. By 3 days, almost all residual mucus is cleared. Emotions swing intensely as the nervous system rewires itself. Meanwhile, the lungs begin a deep detox, pushing out toxins stored for years. After 1 week, physical dependence weakens, though psychological cravings still linger, especially during stress or social events. But the body has already tasted the first breath of a smoke-free life. 2 weeks in, blood circulation leaps forward. Oxygen reaches every cell more efficiently, boosting energy and restoring skin health. Dull, yellowish tones begin to fade into a natural glow. After 1 month, lung cilia, those tiny cleaners, start to regenerate. They sweep away debris more effectively, reducing infections and easing coughing. At 6 months, lung capacity improves dramatically. Climbing stairs no longer leaves you breathless, and exercise feels lighter and more powerful. 1 year after quitting, the immune system, lung function, and skin condition all show significant recovery. Some damage cannot be fully reversed, but the progress is unmistakable. Every cigarette avoided is a step away from the statistics. Every day of perseverance lays another brick in the foundation of a healthier future. From this moment on, let every breath move you toward life, not away from it.